Today we're covering another renovation, this time for a living room. Now, if you haven't already seen the one that we did for the kitchen renovation, go check that one out as well. So today, what we have for this renovation for the living room, it's essentially the same as what it was before. Yes, there was always a fireplace there, but the biggest change over on this side, there used to be this 45-degree drywall, which if you go see the kitchen video, you will notice that there was another one in the kitchen as well. It didn't serve any purpose, it was just wasting space. And the same for this one, but the biggest problem with this, there was a lack of symmetry. This 45 wall, it was too small to put anything on. It made the space by the stair too small to put anything there. This space then became too small and unbalanced. After the fireplace, well, this side was nice, you had plenty of room, but as I said, there was this lack of symmetry, they weren't balanced. So for this renovation, I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. In this first image, lots of different shades of brown. That was quite popular 15 to 20 years ago, but not anymore. We have another video coming up covering the best colors to paint your home if you're considering to sell. If you haven't done so already, click the subscribe button to show your support, and that way you'll be notified when a new video comes out. Anyway, as you can see, the living room lacked symmetry and it didn't look balanced because of that 45-degree wall, making it hard to put furniture along there. So the 45 drywall is removed and framing for the shelves installed, and the drywall is installed. And then the shelves can be fitted and a first coat of epoxy to protect them. All the shelves are done now and the cabinets fitted below. The tile surrounding the fireplace gets installed. All the walls are painted. Then the final coats of epoxy are done. Countertops are installed and the final coat for the walls. Everything is cleaned and ready for handover. Looks beautiful. The main feature for this new renovation are these beautiful shelves. These have this nice gloss white epoxy finish on it, so that matches all of the cabinets. And of course, being epoxy, it's very durable. So let's take a closer look at them in more detail. Just amazing. Because it's gloss finish, it's so shiny that you can see reflections in it. Just amazing. So smooth, and it feels great when you touch it. And it's easy to keep clean. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.